everyone, it's Sina with the Evans Real Estate team and Keller Williams, and welcome to 5 Jeep Crescent in Eastern Passage. This home is an amazing detached split entry that has had a lot of love and updates over the last 2 years from the current owner, making it move-in ready for the next owners. The home is greatly enhanced with the addition of pot lights, which gives an even larger feel. Both the half bath upstairs and the full bath downstairs were renovated in 2020. You will find ample closet space in the 3 bedrooms downstairs. With a new roof, a new back patio door, 2 new heat pumps, all new baseboard heaters, new digital thermostats, new receptacles, and new hardware, you can rest assured this house is ready to move in. The owner decided to leave the kitchen countertop color and material choice to the new owners. The backyard is almost completely fenced in and ready for children or a dog. The new shed is 10 by 12 and also has pot lights. It could be a really cool man cave. Call today to book your viewing to see this beautiful home at 5 Jeep Crescent in Eastern Passage yourself.